Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with the engine hot and safe. This matters because compression readings change with temperature. Once the glow plugs are out or fuel is disabled, you attach the tester to cylinder 1, tighten the fitting so no leak skews numbers. Crank the engine with full starter engagement for 8 to 10 compression strokes. Count strokes and record peak pressure. Make sure to write down RPM and ambient conditions, because you'll compare these numbers across cylinders after completing this first test. You now move methodically. Test each cylinder the same way to keep results comparable. Once done, compare pressures. Consistency matters. A difference over 10 to 15% signals a problem. If you see low pressure, perform a wet test by adding 1 to 2 ml of clean oil into the cylinder and retesting. If pressure rises significantly, rings are likely the issue, versus valves or head gasket if pressure stays low. Keep notes on each cylinder so you can identify patterns and prioritize repairs. You finish by interpreting the data. Consistent readings mean healthy compression. An isolated low suggests rings, valves, or head gasket. Once done, if the wet test didn't improve pressure, inspect valve clearance, injector sealing, and the head gasket, then run a leak-down test to pinpoint leaks. Make sure to reassemble parts cleanly, reinstall glow plugs, and clear fault codes so the ECU adapts. Finally, road test the engine to confirm the issue is resolved, and the compression readings correlate with improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.